Meet the iGarden M1 AI series with the Bionic Dual AI Vision that actually sees.
I am super excited to unpack with you iGarden's M series. This is the M series with AI capabilities that is new this year, and it is awesome. It has smart navigation, dual AI cameras, and amazing ability, 5,000 gallons per hour suction for the floors, the walls, the waterline, and the ledges. Let's get started and see what's included.
It will map the pool in 3D to vacuum the pool, climb the walls, and scrub the waterline. It covers nearly 99% of your pool, and it has this great quick start guide that will get you set up in just a few minutes. Stay with us. We're going to go through each of these steps to quickly get you set up and get your Wi-Fi running and get your first run in the pool together today. The M series has high run times and it works in above and in-ground pools. It is cordless, hassle-free, and packs a huge 4.5-hour runtime and up, depending on which model you choose. You just drop it in and swim. The M1 uses twin cameras to actively map out the entire pool in full 3D. It can actually see the debris ahead of time and calculate the absolute fastest cleaning path around the steps and the slopes. It has a full, detailed user's guide for in-depth questions plus customer support. I love the vertical lift basket, so easy to clean. Everything passes through this dual layer filter, and the basket traps the big stuff while filtering out microscopic silt and algae. And because it opens in dual ways, it's very easy to hose out and clean. You'll see the great mesh system here will capture all the finest debris. And it comes with an extra filter for easy cleaning. The charging port is conveniently located in the back. It charges in just a few hours. We're going to do that now and get it in the pool.
I love this candy apple red, looks like a sports car. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more great videos from this great company and others like these. Now we're going to go over how to set up your iGarden M1 series machine.
You find the app on the QR code.
There's a lot of great machines from iGarden. We're going to pick the pool and our Wi-Fi and set up. Now here we are going to pick our M series, confirm. You have to hold the cleaning mode for 3 seconds, and then it will let you know that it is ready for pairing. Perfect. And it gives you some options about your pool. Mine is an in-ground pool, and it is an oval shape, so I guess I will pick the regular. Okay. Let's see, there's some more. And ask me about my steps, etc. I do have sloped and information about my size. There's my guy. Now, perfect. Now we're perfectly paired, and I can pick these options from my app or on the machine. Floor only, floor and wall, wall only, and full coverage. I also can do turbo mode and AI mode. I'm going to pick everything. I want it all. My runtime, my timer. I can set it to run every so many days. Now I want to start running, but I'm going to put it in the pool first. And before we do that, I'm going to show you a few more features. The massive bottom here is so beautiful. I love the color. I love the way it's going to show so beautifully in my pool. The dual rollers here, the Caterpillar tracks, great large debris inlet system here with the silicone rank, and these 4 massive big wheels that look a lot like a sports car. Now it has these incredible cameras here.
You can also do a quick start on the actual machine itself, simply using the control panel. And you're going to give it a little shake, let the air out the first time, and there you go.
Now, it's important to note when you're starting your iGarden machine, you're going to depress the power button for 3 seconds. Then you're going to pick your options, your different modes, and you're going to press it again, the power button, one more time, but just a short press. That makes it start. If you hold it a long press the second time, that's the on-off feature, so it will make it stop. So what you want to do to repeat is a long press for 3 seconds, pick your options between your different modes, and then a short press to say, okay, that's what I want.
That sends your iGarden off to work doing all the great functions that it's designed to do. I have it here starting out on my ledge. It's a rainy day in my pool, and it is filled with rain and leaves and all the things that the rain brings in. And we're going to let it do its first time mapping of my pool and see what great things it comes up with. Watch all the way to the end because we're going to have a great graphic on all the benefits of the iGarden M series and show you some of the results as well. Now, this great machine was provided for me from my honest opinion, and I love iGarden products as well as all pool cleaners, and I am very impressed with its ability to clean. Now, look how it jets around the pool. It's mapping its path with its Bionic Dual AI Vision. This device uses a dual camera system inspired by nature to enhance the clarity and vision. The AI Vision technology is capable of transforming darkness into clarity to ensure coverage. It has cleaning power that is driven by the ability to see and capture every detail in a pool. The comprehensive coverage includes a technology designed to reveal every corner of the pool during the cleaning process. The product represents an innovation in pool care that combines a deep intelligence with a human-like feel. It also has an AI option for a 20-minute quick clean. It offers ultra-long run times. It has an infinity drive which delivers multiple hours of continuous cleaning depending on the model you select on a single charge. The advanced hydrodynamics Aqua Advantage trackless four-wheel design meets Resistech corrosion-resistant materials built for lots of seasons and great climbing abilities to clean the ledges and the water lines. Look at those monster wheels go. It also has an AI target system which reads every inch and obstacle in real time. Suction and strategy adjust automatically with obstacle avoidance and just precise adaptive cleaning. It's a supercar-inspired design and a 3-year worry-free warranty that gives you the ability to add to cart now because you know that you have a great warranty to back up this great performance. I highly recommend this MI series. It's new, it's innovative, it has all the great features of AI, and you just will have confidence that your pool will be clean and have the greatest technology to do the best job available so you can enjoy your pool for what it's meant to do. Simply swim and enjoy it with your family and friends. With those cameras providing OmniLogic and a real 3D view of your pool, there's nothing left for you to do but enjoy. With the Resistech corrosion-resistant materials, it's built for long-term durability, which you will be able to enjoy for years to come. Watching it clean the waterline, the floors, and all the ledges with great precision. Enjoy your pool, relax, because the M1 design is in charge.